yeah, be very gentle and slow, because this plastic can break very easily. It's not that strong. It's okay. It's not saying it's extremely bad, but yeah. So at the bottom you just push this up, and now we can take this whole thing out like this. Just pull it towards yourself. Be careful, there's a cable here, so this you cannot remove it. Second is remove this film, remove this plastic. You can start it from here, you can see. And after that, take this out. And I already removed it. There's another plastic here from the outside. The only way how you can remove it, the edges will get stuck. You have to, from outside, you have to push this in. There's a plastic. This is a plastic here. So you can, I'm gonna keep this transparent plastic on, but you can remove it if you want. So push it back in the edge and then put everything back nicely as it was. First it goes in this side. You can see the slots there. Just be gentle and don't rush, because if you break something here, it's and then you have to push this down to here, as you can see. Like, make sure it's not, doesn't go like that. This one, yeah, this I push it in slow and gentle. Yeah, now you can feel it's in. Now you can put this back. You can hear the clicking sound. Yeah, this is all done. So once again, plastic inside here and plastic inside out, inside here. And this one is relatively easy. You can adjust it. This is the back. So wait a minute. So this comes here, should be at the back. And both sides you need to remove only this, nothing else. So it looks like this. Push this in and you put this back in. And before you do that, you can, if you remove this, you can adjust it horizontally and vertically. There are these small holes, so you can adjust it forward or backwards. I'm going to keep it in the middle. There's 5 holes. Yeah. And you can adjust it here horizontally. If you push one finger here, one finger here, if you push it, you can go up and down. Yeah, we're gonna stay here. So now, as I have adjusted it, this says L, but it's obvious it's left side, so you don't need to see and tighten this. That's it, and it's all done. This is at the back. Looks a bit silly, but it works. And this is the adjustments. This one is here. You cannot remove this. And there's 2 here. This is sensitivity, and this is delay. Both of them is on. This is low. There's low and max. So low and high, and this is minimum and maximum.